guys, it's Roy here from rwoko12 and epicdroid.com, and we're here today to take a quick look at i-Blason's Aries case for the Samsung Galaxy S20. For today's video, we're going to be using a dummy device. We don't have the actual S20 as of yet. However, for all intents and purposes, this is a real device. It just doesn't turn on. Now, this case is available for the entire S20 lineup. However, these cases here are specific to the S20 Plus because that's the dummy device that I have. As far as cases go, it's a fairly straightforward case. It comes in a variety of color options. This here is the blue and this one's their purple. I'll have a link in the video description down below where you can check out some of their other color options as well. The case is made up of a couple of different pieces. We got a hard plastic back here, we have a softer TPU gripping side, and then we have this little front piece here that's sole purpose is to hold your phone in place to make sure it doesn't fall out of the case. Here on the back we do have a plastic protector that keeps your screen or the back of the device free from fingerprints. And then here we have another little tab that just instructions on how to remove the case. It also comes with these installation instructions that you can use as a reference. However, we're just going to show you how to do it here today. To go ahead and put the case on, there is a little bit of a notch here. If you look really closely, you'll see that. You just stick your fingernail or a coin down in that corner, pop it out, pull the whole plastic frame out, set that down, and set that down face down. And you're going to take your phone and you're going to find the power and the volume buttons, and you're going to slide those in first. Pop that down in like that. And then for the next step, you need to get a cloth and you want to make sure it's microfiber works best, but you want to wipe that down, make sure you don't have any fingerprints on it. Clean that all nice and good. Then we're going to take it and flip it over, and we're going to slide it in, and you want to do it with the bottom piece first. So slide that bottom piece in, and then work your way around the whole device. And once it's on, you can look at that and you can see that the blue piece there and the black are perfectly flush up against each other. And you'll see that around the whole rim of the case. And since we're on it, we'll look at the front of the case real quick. And so here we have a raised lip across the bottom and the top of the device. That makes it so you can set that face down without having to worry about your screen getting scratched up. And also on the front of the case, we do have this little notch right here that makes it so that you can use the case without having it get in the way of your front-facing speaker. Here on the side, we do have your power and your volume down and volume up buttons. And as you can see there, they do maintain their natural clickiness. I can't test them completely because this is a dummy device. However, from having used this case in the past, I can tell you you're not going to have any issues with those. Here on the back, we do have the cutout for the camera, the flash, and the other sensors. And as you can see there, it's a nice deep one, so you don't have to worry about it getting scratched up if you were to set it down on its back. One thing you will see is there are some fingerprints and smudges here on the case. Unfortunately, some of those are from when I wiped it down. I didn't wipe it down as well as I should have. This case is a little bit of a fingerprint magnet, but as long as you wipe it down on a pant leg or a shirt sleeve or something, you'll see that those come right off. Here on the bottom, we do have some cutouts. We have cutout for your microphone, for your USB-C charging port, as well as for your speaker. This piece here does fit into the charging port to make it a little bit more water resistant and protect it from damage. And this case does support wireless charging, so you can just leave that thing plugged in without ever having to actually plug in the device. And then last but not least, we do have a cutout here up top for the noise canceling mic. Now, one thing I do like about this case is I really like this TPU gripping surface. It's very grippy, and I don't feel like it's something I'm ever going to be dropping. If I do happen to drop it, there's some extra large knobs right here that when those hit, it will hit those corners and help prevent damage to the device. All in all, this is probably one of my favorite cases. I really like the Aries case. I really like the look of it. The only complaint I have is that it does attract fingerprints from time to time. Now, that being said, it does wipe off fairly easily. So you'll just need to look at that and weigh that in your decision on whether or not this is the right case for you. So again, the case does go for about $20 on Amazon. We'll have links in the video description down below where you can order one for yourself. If you have any questions about the Aries, about the S20, or about i-Blason's other cases, feel free to hit us up in the comment section down below and we'll reply as soon as we are available. If you've enjoyed this video, if it's been helpful to you, please remember to give us a thumbs up and to share it with your friends. And as always, just want to tell you guys thank you for watching, thank you for all your support, and you all have an awesome day.